The Clockitchen 6 pieces pots and pans set is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It comes with 6 pieces. These include fry pans and a stockpot with a lid. The set is made of aluminum. This makes them light, and they heat up quickly. The blue color adds a nice touch to your cooking space. For the price, this Clockitchen 6 pieces pots and pans set seems like a good value. Cooking with the Clockitchen 6 pieces pots and pans is easy. The non-stick ceramic coating is a great feature. It stops food from sticking. This means you can cook your veggies without a hassle. Cleaning up is also a breeze because nothing clings to the surface. Plus, the set includes lids for the stockpot and saucepan. These help trap heat and moisture. This makes cooking more efficient, and your food tastes better. Feedback from users often points out how easy these pots and pans are to clean. Thinking about getting a new cookware set? The Clockitchen 6 pieces pots and pans could be a staple in your kitchen. It has the basics you need for everyday cooking. While there is no mention of a specific warranty in the common feedback, the set appears to be a practical choice for many. It's not about fancy shenanigans, but about the simple process of cooking. If you are looking for a basic, non-stick set without breaking the bank, the Clockitchen 6 pieces pots and pans set is worth considering. Clockitchen also offers similar products. So compare and see what fits your needs best for anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan. The Wadillo non-stick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes, and its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this Wadillo nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: aluminum material, heats evenly, lightweight design, stylish blue color, includes lids, fry pan included, stockpot included, good for families, space-saving set, ceramic coating. Cons: possible knockoff, bent, sharp pieces, handles hard to attach, quality not the best, lid handles break, food may stick, coating may peel, assembly needed. Features: 6 pieces, pots and pans set, aluminum cookware, non-stick, ceramic coating, fry pan, stockpot, with lid, Clockitchen. This Clockitchen 6-piece cookware set is made of aluminum and has a non-stick ceramic coating, making cooking and cleaning easier. The blue set includes an 8.7-inch and a 10.3-inch frying pan, a 4.5-quart stockpot with a lid, and a 1.25-quart saucepan with a lid. This set is designed to help with everyday cooking tasks like frying, sautéing, boiling, and grilling. This Clockitchen 6-piece aluminum cookware set in a stylish blue color includes a fry pan and a stockpot with lids, making it good for families and saving space. The pots and pans heat evenly and are lightweight. However, the non-stick ceramic coating may be a knockoff, and some customers have reported bent or sharp pieces, handles that are hard to attach, and overall quality that is not the best. Lid handles may break, food might stick, and the coating could peel. The set requires assembly,